Hello students, in the continuation of the functional group we have discussed alcohols. Now we are going to discuss ether. Ether is another group in which carbon atoms are not there, right? So ether, the functional group is ROR, right? ROR means where oxygen is sandwiched between the two alkyl groups, right? They may be similar, so it will be ROR. They may be dissimilar, then it will be ROR dash. Means both are different alkyl groups. Fine. What is the rule? Little long. Rule says that write both sides alkyl group as an alkane. Means both the sides which alkyl groups are there, write them as an alkane. I have written here. Like for instance, this is the ether. Oxygen is sandwiched between the two alkyl groups. है ना? Here is only one carbon. So from one carbon, which alkane is there? Methane. I have written in the beginning. I have written here methane. ANE, right? And here two carbons are there. From two carbon, which alkane will be there? Ethane. I have written ethane. Fine. Means as many carbon atoms are there on both the sides of oxygen, you write the alkane accordingly. Fine. Now, wherever is the lesser number of carbon is there, in that alkane, replace ane by oxy. Now here in this formula, here is one carbon, here two carbon, one carbon here written methane. So what shall I do? I will replace this ane by the word oxy, 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 and let the carbon chain with more carbon atom as an alkane. This carbon chain having more than one carbon atom means bigger chain, so let it be like an ethane. So what is the name of this ether? Its name will be methoxyethane, and that is the IUPAC name, methoxyethane. Or general name will be, call them alkyl group. But here one thing to be kept in the mind, that you will follow the alphabetical rule. What is that? E comes before M. So we will write down ethyl, ethane will be written as ethyl, methane, meth will be written as methyl, ethyl, methyl, ether. It is only for your knowledge. Basically in the examination we deal most of the time with the IUPAC name. So IUPAC name will be methoxyethane. Now you may have a question in your mind that in case both the side the equal number of carbon atoms are there. That is very simple. When equal are there, then in any of the alkane you replace ane by oxy. Here is the example. CH3O, CH3. Both the side, one carbon is there. What did I do? First of all, we have written this also as methane and this also as methane. Fine. Methane and methane. And what did I do? In any of the, you can change here also ane by oxy, you can change here also ane by oxy. Right? Whichever you want to change. But then oxy will be written first. Right? So what did I do? I replaced this ane by oxy. So the name of the compound, the IUPAC name of the compound will be methoxymethane. Okay. And since both the alkyl group are the same, so what shall I do? In the general naming, I will write down dimethyl ether. Dimethyl ether. Fine. So I give you a few more examples that will clear the picture even more. Right, what is that? You see here. That one side I write both, see here. I write here is CH3O and here I write down C3H7. Fine. What did I do here? Here, now see, here is only one carbon. Here are three carbon. But I am writing both the side as an alkane. With one carbon, which is the alkane? It's a methane. Right? And with with 3 carbon, which alkane is there? Propane. I write propane. You don't go on that the one hydrogen of the propane is not satisfied, the C3H7. Obviously, when one valency of the carbon will be free, then only it will attach to oxygen. Huh? So what did I do? On both the side I have written methane and propane. Now according to rule, what to do? The lesser number, the smaller alkane, in that ane will be replaced by oxy. So here is meth, here is a prop, this is smaller. I replace ane by oxy, methoxy, and then it will remain propane, methoxy propane, right? And the general name will become what? M comes first, so methyl propyl ether, methyl propyl ether, that is the general name. Fine. So in that way you will do it. And again, if both the sides the same are there, I write here C2H5 O C2H5. Fine. Then in that case both are the same. So you can write any of the side oxy. So prefer write down first. It will be then ethoxy. You write down ethane and you write down ethane. Right? Then replace ane by oxy. OXY. The name will be ethoxy ethane or diethyl ethane. I think so the things are clear to you. Now, two things I want to make it clear to you. Whenever you will write this molecule, suppose you are given the name, you have to draw the structure. You will never do what? Suppose you have to draw the same, so you will never write down C2H5 O C2H5. You will never write like this. This shows, in the council you won't get marks. This shows that hydrogen is attached to oxygen, which is never. Okay. So you write always how come C2H5 carbon will be attached to oxygen, not through the hydrogen. Thank you, children.